Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. A lot of you guys have been asking me, like, how do you use the templates? And so I want to show you how to use the templates really quick. You guys bear with me because I usually don't do things on my phone, but I know that this is an easy way for you guys to be able to see. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload my background. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up. So there is my background. Now that I have my background, let me go ahead and upload my design that I will use. And I'm going to use this one here, and we need to remove the background. So we have removed the background, but it also removed the logo. So let's undo that. And then let's use Magic Grab. And we're going to grab what it is that we need. Let's see, is it gonna just grab the, yep, it just grabbed the logo. So we're good on that. We also wanna add these little pieces down here, gold pieces. Let's see how that's going to work. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to click on grab. And it is just going to grab the image. Okay, now that it has grabbed the image, I'm going to pull it off to the side, and then I want to delete this here. So now that I have that deleted, I'm going to move him right there. Now that we have that, if we want to add a little highlight to this, we can. Let me go to my effects, and we're going to do a shadow. So let's see what we got going on. So let's see what this glow is. And I'm going to change the glow to white. Now that I have done that, you can see here we have a little light glow around them. So that way it stands out pretty good. As far as adding a text, let me get to my text. Okay, text. And I'm going to put in ready. And then my text disappeared. So you guys give me a hot second to be able to get my text back. And I need to move this up. Change the color. So now the color is changed. And this is just a little basic. It's really nothing spectacular that I'm doing. I'm just showing you the basics when it comes to creating design here in Canva. So we're going to do that there. The only thing I can't figure out, there we go, is doing that. And then I want to change the font here. And now that I changed the font, let's get our color right. Okay. So there it goes. So you have your background, we have our guy that we cleaned up, and then we just put ready up top. So that is pretty much how you will use this template here. It comes in a bundle of 6, so you have 6 different templates that you can be able to work with, and you can find them over on the website. I just wanted to come on here and just show you guys things that you can do. Say you want to add some clouds or whatever the case may be, you can add clouds. This here template is great for any season. Any season, if you want to use it during football season for your kids, you can be able to do that. So yeah, you can really work some magic with this here. Let me see if I can see how to push things forward and back. So I just pushed it backwards, and then we're going to bring it forward one. So now we also have a cloud up there. So that is basically the gist of how to be able to use these templates that I have ready to go, especially for designing. So if you just have something that's plain Jane, you can take this grudge template here and you can throw it up on there, add other elements on top of it, and that's your template. Thank you very much for joining me and for watching this quick tutorial. Like I said, if you are interested in these designs, go ahead and head over to my website, exclusivecraftacademy.com, and click on sublimation designs, and you can be able to grab this template. Thank you very much for watching and joining, and I'll talk to y'all later.